Hello dear students, Lektion Nummer 21, lesson number 21, some new words. In this lesson you will learn some more vocabulary words and their usage in German language. In this slide we have some English words and their German meanings. Open, öffnen, shut, schließen, stand, stehen, sit, sitzen, hold up, hochhalten. Point to, zeigen auf, look at, schauen auf, knock on, klopfen an, come, go, geh, draw, zeichnen, please, bitte, the, das, der, die. Usage of the. In German, the definite article the has different forms depending on the noun's gender, case, and number. Here are the different forms. So with masculine noun in German we use der. For example, der Mann, the man. With feminine noun we use die. For example, die Frau, the woman. With neuter noun we use das. For example, das Haus, the house. And with plural noun we use die, like we use with feminine, die. For example, die Männer, the men. And usage of please, bitte. In German, the word bitte means please can be placed in different positions within a sentence. Here are two sentences. In English we say, please stand up. In German, bitte steh auf. And in English, if we say, please point to a wall, in German we will say, zeige bitte auf eine Wand. So now look at the definition. In first sentence, we say, bitte steh auf, please stand up. In this sentence, bitte is placed at the beginning, which is more direct and formal way of making a request. But in second sentence, we say, zeige bitte auf eine Wand. Please point to a wall. In this sentence, bitte is placed after the verb, like here. Zeige is verb, then we put bitte, which is more polite and formal way of making a request. So in informal situation, bitte often comes at the beginning of the sentence, and in formal situation, bitte often comes after the verb. However, there is no strict formula and the placement of bitte. It can vary different on the context and regional dialect. With practice and exposure to different spoken and written German, you will develop a sense of when to use bitte in different positions. So now look at this sentence. This woman said to this boy, bitte öffne das Fenster. Please open the window. Fenster means window. Bitte öffne das Fenster. Please open the window. Bitte öffne das Fenster. And now she says, schließe bitte das Fenster. Please. Now we used please here after the verb. Schließe bitte das Fenster. Close the window, please. Schließe bitte das Fenster. And now she says, bitte öffne die Tür. Please open the door. And he opened it. Bitte öffne die Tür. Tür means door. And now she says, schließe bitte die Tür. Please close the door. And he closed it. Schließe bitte die Tür. And now she says, bitte steh auf. Please stand up. Steh auf, stand up. Bitte steh auf. And now she says, bitte sitz dich hin. Bitte sitz dich hin. Please sit down. And they sat down. Bitte sitz dich hin. Halte bitte dein Buch hoch. Please hold up your book. Hold up, halte, hoch. We divided this word, okay? Halte hoch means hold up. But in this sentence we broke the word. Used halte at the beginning and hoch at the end. Halte hoch. Halte bitte dein Buch hoch. Dein Buch, your book. Bitte, please. Halte hoch means hold up. Halte bitte dein Buch hoch. Zeige bitte auf eine Wand. In this sentence, the same case, we broke the word zeige auf, and we put bitte between this word. This is one word. Zeige bitte. Zeige auf. This is one word, but we put bitte between the word. Zeige bitte auf eine Wand. Please point to a wall. Zeige bitte auf eine Wand. Schau auf die Tafel. Schau auf die Tafel. Look at the board. Schau auf die Tafel. Look at the board. Klopfe auf deinen Schreibtisch. Knock on your desk. Klopfe auf, knock. Deinen Schreibtisch, your desk. Klopfe auf deinen Schreibtisch. Klopfe an die Tür. Klopfe an die Tür. Knock on the door. Klopfe an. Knock on die Tür. The door. Klopfe an die Tür. Komm bitte zu meinem Schreibtisch. Please come to my desk. Komm bitte zu meinem Schreibtisch. Geh bitte zu deinem Schreibtisch. Please go to your desk. Geh bitte, go please zu deinem Schreibtisch, to your desk. Geh bitte zu deinem Schreibtisch. Komm bitte zur Tür. Please come to the door. Komm bitte zur Tür. Geh bitte zum Fenster. Please go to the window. So in this sentence we have used zum. Geh bitte zum. But in previous sentence we used zur. What is the difference between zur and zum? Don't be panic about this. You will learn in upcoming lessons. Just keep remember these words and vocabulary in your mind. Geh bitte zum Fenster. Go to the window. Geh bitte zum Fenster. Komm bitte zur Tafel. Come to the board, please. Komm bitte zur Tafel. Bitte zeichne ein Bild. Zeichne means draw. Ein Bild, a picture. Bitte zeichne, please draw ein Bild, a picture. Bitte zeichne ein Bild. Das Ende, the end. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.